Language, there are a lot of benefits, like it enhances your problem solving skill, enhances cognitive benefit, language learning, it shows enhances like students, their performance goes up from 1x to 10x. In order to make language learning certain parts of curriculum, we must understand it properly, and then when we know the language, we can write our own answers. We don't have to remember the concepts. We just know the concept, we can write it in one way. That's what I did when I learned the language. Then from 40% to 100%, 90%, I got the results because I was able to understand the actual source and actual design of where the problem was, and then I improved it through these tactics and strategies. You will get an you will be advanced in career, you will go to the next level, feed your brain like deeper in connection to other cultures. If you learn the language, see the world, you can see the world, go to the source, become a polyglot, boost your confidence. It boosts your confidence, strengthens your decision making, gains perspective. Like you become a different, altogether a different person when you apply these tactics strategies.